To make quick and easy microwave pancakes on a plate, mix together 5 tablespoons, 40 grams of plain flour, 1/2 tablespoon, 7 grams of butter, 1 large egg, and 1/2 tablespoon, 7 milliliters of milk into a bowl. Whisk the mixture until it's smooth. Then spread a thin coat of butter or margarine on a plate to keep your pancakes from sticking. Pour 3/4 cup, 177 milliliters, of the pancake batter onto the middle of the plate and microwave it for 60 seconds. If your pancake is still runny, microwave it for another 10 seconds. Keep doing this until your pancake is cooked to the consistency you like. Then move the pancake to another plate. Repeat this process with the rest of the batter until it's all used up. Add whatever toppings you like to your pancakes. Want a creative twist on the microwave pancake? Fill a mug about 1/4 to 1/3 full of dry pancake mix. Then add water and stir it until you get a smooth, creamy paste of medium thickness. Put the mug in the microwave for about 90 seconds or until there's no more liquid batter in the mug. Add butter, syrup, or whatever other toppings you would like directly into the mug and eat your pancake with a spoon or fork.